What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got a really special unboxing to share with you guys. I know I say stuff like that all the time, but I actually legitimately had a different video planned for this afternoon, and this came in, and I know what this is, and I know who it's from, and I'm so excited about it. I just decided, you know what? I'm gonna do an unboxing video this afternoon. This afternoon being Friday. This is actually being recorded on Friday. Most of the stuff you're going to see in the next couple of weeks is going to be pre-recorded, but this is actually, I'm recording this Friday morning. You guys are going to get it here Friday afternoon. This box was sent to me by my good buddy, at Shaker MT at 1970. A lot of knives that he has sent me I've reviewed here lately, so that's a name you've been seeing a lot. You should definitely give him a follow at Shaker MT 1970 on Instagram, absolutely. So Shaker has sent me a lot of gifts, and he has learned, he just kind of, when he decides if he wants to buy a gift for somebody, he just does it. I'm not the only person that he does this for. He's a generous guy. He's an awesome guy, and he knows that I'm going to tell him not to do it, and he just he just does it anyway. So Shaker, before I open this up, I just want to let you know, thank you so much, man. This is, I mean, obviously, never ever feel obligated to do this, but it's just it's really cool that that you did. I wish that I was able to reciprocate, but Shaker literally never asks for anything in return. He's just been such a big part of this channel, and I just really appreciate him. Absolutely. So let's go ahead and get into this box. Now, this knife I'll let you guys know, just so that you guys, anybody who's wondered, this was a knife that was created on Benchmade's custom shop, and probably by the thumbnail, people are going to be able to guess. But this particular variant of this knife has not been showed on this channel yet, so I'll also be able to do a review. This, for anybody who's wondering, this is the type of box that it comes in, and I guess we're all going to experience together what it's like to receive a knife from Benchmade's custom shop. I'm going to move this out of the way just in case we have some information that I don't want to show on camera. Yeah, there's one right there. So now I'm going to be able to open this box up and show you guys what's in here, what Benchmade sends. Oh. Awesome. Heck yeah, I will wear that. Absolutely. That's really cool. Do you get that like with Benchmade custom shop orders? That's awesome. So here's what we've got here. We have a knife from Benchmade's Hunt line. This is a custom mini Crooked River. And ooh, Shaker, I did not know you upgraded this to 20 CV. Don't these come standard in S30V? That's really cool. So I feel like I haven't said thank you enough for this. Like, there's no, Shaker and I talk a lot, and there's no part of our dialogue that suggests, from me to him that he needs to do this stuff for me. He just does it. He just is like, hey, surprise, I got something coming your way. And he showed me what this looked like, at least his build, the picture of the build. And I was like, dude, that is so nice. You do not have to do that. And he's like, it's already done. So here we go. Thanks to Shaker, we're all going to be able to enjoy this together. Let me use the Rainbow Lady here to get into the box. There we go. Just kind of carefully. Don't want to oh, you know what? Let's just peel a sticker off. There we go. No reason to damage the box. I love that hat. I'll wear that hat. Absolutely. Okay, here we go. Oh, God, I'm so excited. So excited about this because I saw the picture. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at that G10 and that pivot collar. Oh, this is beautiful. And you got my channel colors. Oh my gosh. And this has the it has the bug out clip. Oh my gosh, it literally could not be more perfect. Shaker, I am so excited for this. This is just absolutely wonderful. Yes, this will be going in my pocket today. I have handled the mini Crooked River before, and I've always speculated that in use, in practice, that this would become one of my favorite EDC knives. This is going right into the primary rotation, I'll review it, but it's just one of those knives that just is like the just right size and just right weight, except this one has a bolster, and has that cool clip point blade, and has the, in this case, it's got the blue pivot collar. This is just so beautiful. I'm so flattered that you wanted to have this custom built for me, and I just think this is awesome. I've never seen this exact configuration. I've looked at a lot of pictures of custom Crooked Rivers, and I've never seen this exact configuration. I never knew how much I would love blue and black. This is it's just wonderful. And I always kind of thought, with Benchmade knives that came from the custom shop that they would come, just like with perfect fit and finish. And yeah, that's what we're looking at here, guys. So anybody who's hesitant about picking up a knife from Benchmade's custom shop, I would say don't be, because they just come absolutely flawless. This one's perfectly centered, super smooth, just about fall shut out of box. God, this is such a good size. And I can do the reverse flick. I love this so much. I am so happy about this shaker. I can't say thank you enough, but man, thank you. This is just wonderful, and it will absolutely be loved and will be put to use. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it for this unboxing. I've got some cool content coming up this weekend. I do have plans for Christmas, so I'm going to be a little bit less active in the next week or so on social media, a little bit less active as far as interactions on the channel. But don't worry, I have everything pre-recorded so that you guys will have continuous content to enjoy, at least one upload a day for the rest of the next week or two. And then speckled in there, if things come in that I need to unbox, well, I'll include those in there as well. But as far as today's video goes, that's going to be pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.